The possessive particle no in Japanese. How to talk about when things belong to people, when you have something. Introducing the possessive particle no. When something belongs to someone. Watashi no hon desu. It is my book. So to say mine, watashi no. Yours, anata no. The teachers, sensei no. The students, seito no. Belongs to Hiroshi, Hiroshi-san no. And whose is it? Dare no. Remembering that kore means this or near me, so kore wa dare no kasa desu ka? Whose is this umbrella next to me? And sore is by the listener, so sore wa sensei no kasa desu. That is the teacher's umbrella over there by you. Or when it's away from both of us, are is used. So, are wa dare no kasa desu ka? Whose is that umbrella over or up there? Repeat after me. Kore wa watashi no jitensha desu. Sore wa omawari-san no jitensha desu. Are wa dare no jitensha desu ka? Sore wa inu no hon desu. The traditional word for clothes or things worn in Japan is kimono. And in this picture you can see that the men's kimono is traditionally dark colours, navy blue or black and grey, and women's kimonos are very brightly coloured, usually red, orange or gold. And the cost of a kimono can be as high as $100,000 in a good department store in Japan. Minasan, sayonara.